So when you get done braiding, it's a very good idea that you use foam wrap on your braids, because what it does is it helps to get any flyaways. Now we're going to the dryer for about 15 minutes. Come out, everything gonna be smooth, no flyaways, and I'm gonna reline them, and we're good to go. Stylist John, I get you for our hair braiding boot camp. If you want to learn how to braid your hair, join my boot camp. It's $1,000. You're gonna learn how to French braid, Senegalese twist, box braid. You're gonna learn how to do lock retwist, and I'm gonna show you several different styles. Okay, I got the $1,000 hair braiding boot camp. Then I got the $3,000 Think Like a Barber boot camp, and I got the $10,000 Think Like a Master Barber boot camp, where I teach you 7 different haircuts. I teach you 5 braiding styles. I teach you how to market yourself and how to get the bag. www.stylistjohn.com. Think Like a Barber 1 and 2 and hair braiding boot camp. Join now. 314-359-5499. I can get you fly.